Okay guys, let's create another transitional job, and then let's click a file, new, and choose a hybrid design, and unit system is centimeter. Okay, create new, close the last step, choose front view. Okay, we start from the front view and make it line to the left about 6 and line to the up about 2 and line to the up again about 35 centimeters like that, and make it line to the up, make it 10, and to the left also 10, and line again to the up is 10 also, and to the left and to the left is 5. Okay, so I make it align again to the left is 5 like that, and line make it 65 degrees and the line is 5 like that, and line to the right is 1 centimeters. You see? So let's make it align with spline fit point spline. Okay, from this point to this point, and just only to the right, go to the this point, and the last one we go to this point. Okay, and just write it and okay. Okay, we already got the sketch, so you have to trim the line like I show you, this line and this line. Okay, and just okay, finish it. Let's revolve. Click the stage and you choose the axis is this one. Okay, like that, and just okay, and then turn off the bodies and turn on the stage, double click and make it offset on the last stage, make it about 0.5 like that, and enter, and then just make it line to the right is like that, and trim this line. I don't need that line, and connect it this line over here to this line. Okay, just connect it like that, and finish it and revolve the inner stage, this one, and just turn on the bodies. Axis is also this one. Okay, like that, and just cut it to the operation. Okay, and enter. They already cut, and we can check on the section analysis. Okay, like that, and enter. Here is the inner of the job. Okay, so I wanna click this face, press L, and I wanna extrude, cut it to the up. Okay, like that, and turn off the analysis. Okay, we almost finished. So let's make it the handle. Go to the first sketch and make it with a spline fit point. Okay, we can make it from this point, make it and click right here and just connect it to this point and write it and OK, and use offset to make it an offset. Okay, just make it 1 and enter, and make it another line to connect right here. Okay, that's already connect. We trim this one, okay, like that, and finish it. And let's go with revolve also. Click this edge, and let's see this right here, and far enough that revolve. Okay, like that. Okay, make it 20 degrees, okay, and the operation is doing. Finish. And let's make it a fillet. Make it fillet like this. Okay, 1 like that, and enter. Okay, I think that's enough to make to fillet the handle. Okay, let's go to the last part. Let's go to the first stage, double click, and make it line from here, this point, to the up 135. Make it an 8 for the line, and also make it a circle right here. Make it a 5. Okay, 4. Then this stage, and click this stage and move. The position is okay, just like that, and also make it like this. Okay, and enter. And let's go to extrude, guys. Extrude to the vertice, and the operation is doing okay. Okay, like that, and enter. And then let's make it a sketch right here to make it a hole for these 3 diameters, and just extrude to make it a hole right there, and check it the analysis. Okay, really cool. Okay, let's go at the texture. I have this Mosaic texture. Okay, you can screenshot the texture. Okay, just like that, and then use and apply to his face, okay, or his bodies. You can do it by insert the tool and choose the last texture. Okay, open and click the face. I'm gonna start right here. You can click this one like this. Okay, and then set up the texture. Okay, like that, and enter. And let's go to this face also, and insert the color again, and choose the texture again. Click this face. Okay, like that. Turn off. Okay, like that. You can set up by yourself. like that. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's go to okay, let's set up the texture and setting. Yeah, I think that's enough. Enter. And let's go right here. Let's go. Okay. This is nice. Enter. Okay. Click again. Use the texture. Click this face and turn off. Okay, like that. Enter. It's very beautiful, guys. I love Mosaic texture. Okay, I wanna skip the video to make it texture on all of the bodies. Okay. Okay guys, I already finished to add all of the texture on these bodies, so you can check it. It is very beautiful, right? Okay, I will see you guys on the next tutorial video, and I hope you like it, this tutorial, and please share, subscribe and like, and I will see you on the next tutorial video. Bye bye.